I'm going to show you something here
Okay.
that I don't think you've ever seen before.
Okay.
It mounts on the rear of the van. And it's right here. It's called a slam lock. It's made by Meroni.
Okay.
It's an Italian lock company, and it's the #1 vehicle security system in Europe. It stays permanently attached to the van. It's bolted through the doors here. You can see it's very secure into the pinch welds. And when you slam the door, it locks.
Whoa.
Why would somebody choose this? Because it's always going to be locked every time the door is closed.
Exactly.
So let me show you how quickly and easily it opens. It is much quicker than a puck lock style system. Also, it forces compliance. From the owner's perspective, if the door was locked,
It's locked.
it's locked. I have a new model of this that's available. This is a cloud-based system. Everything's moving to the phone, right? You got to have an app.
Yes.
We have an app. It's powered by a company called Slack. There's virtual keys that you can text message. So they're using it to allow access into these homes without them being there.
Right.
Well, this is the same principle.
Wow.
I'll show you the interface. It's very easy to operate. So you slam this lock closed. Now,
Did you see that?
we can do it one more time. We can.
Folks, did you see that? Look at this. Push a button, unlock the door. Wow.
So the capabilities of these can be dialed up to the customer's preference.
Yeah.
So for example, you could say, if he has a key, it's okay, we know him. But you could also say key and app authentication. But you could take it to another level. You could say, I want to make sure that this lock only opens on the premise of my customer. So you could geofence and say, in this parking lot is the only time this lock will open, even if you have a key and the app. You could also say it only can open between noon and 1. You can specify the time and the place and who opens it. And to take it one step further, maybe the customer is a manufacturer and they contract out their shipping. They don't know the driver particularly. You could set it up so that at the delivery point, they're the only one who has access to the cargo. You text message a key to the delivery point, the driver shows up, only at the delivery point will that person be able to open it. The driver will never have access to the cargo. Very secure product.
Excellent.
And it checks and creates a list of when that was accessed. So if the driver says 12:30, my app says 12:45, we know who's telling the truth. The computer doesn't lie. It tracks them, when, where, and how they accessed it, who accessed it.
Wow.
And possibly most important, fit and finish of this product.
Oh, I know.
They look OEM.
Yeah.
They look like they should be on the vehicle.
Right. Yeah.
You know, they're going to be stainless steel with a hard coat epoxy, gives it a nice look. They're not going to rust. Yeah. That is everybody's concern is, I'm drilling holes in the van, I'm modifying the exterior, I'm going to have rust issues, and that is not a case with these locks. There's no powder coating to chip off here. The caveat is when you drill those holes, you do need to apply proper rust treatment. You need a primer. You need to put the paint back on.
Not because of this, but because of the metal in
the body door. Exactly, exactly. But the lock is not your weak point here. It is the strongest point on the van.
Yeah, this is incredible.
So we have 4 different models, and we stock them. They're available for quick shipping. I have mini fleets with them out in the market already, and so far people are loving, again, that the lock is just on the door all the time. Yeah.
That is so incredible. Oh, sure.
These are new for this year, but they're only new to us. They've been available widely in Europe. They're stainless steel, and we've got 2 options. We've got what they call the fleur, or the flower pattern. For that guy who wants to dress up his truck with stainless, I don't know if it gets any dressier.
No, I agree.
This will look sharp.
Yeah.
Now, for the guy who gets out and bangs up his truck every once in a while, but he still wants to have some shine, typically it's the edges that get knocked.
Right.
It's not the face. This is inside and protected by the body.
Sure. Right.
So this flexible edge here is going to keep it looking good for a long time to come.
Yeah.
And same thing as before, mini sizes available. This is really going to, again, keep the spray off the truck, the underbody, protects the wiring harnesses. We've had a great reception to the show so far for it, and we're hoping to see some on trucks here in the near future.
This is a whole day right here. Honestly, this is great.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Great. Thank you.
Fun.